We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we have said to you before, and we'll continue to say again, if you are a mother or a father and you are in Jamaica, living in Jamaica or even in the diaspora, and you have a vote in Jamaica, the next election is the pivotal. We are at this brink of either we go right down into the abyss and no return, because you see the PMP criminal organization advertise all of them criminal celebrity. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's how it is now in Jamaica. You're a convicted criminal, killer. Yes, you're looking at two of them right now. One of them was absent. We don't know if he was there, but we don't see him. That are the two rear admiral guys. Them see them right up there. Vibes Cartel is the man that give it, and so the other guy him receive it and him take it. Yeah, you understand. So that's where we're at. So here's a man now. You're going to hear we talk with a man. Yeah, a PMP criminal. Yeah, you're going to hear from a man who, yeah, man, despite being a supporter of the PMP National Party criminal organization and a Jamaican citizen, is deeply ashamed of the role of his party has played in promoting criminality. Yeah, man, he knows the very political organization he has supported for years is responsible for the decay of moral standard in Jamaica and the rise of lawlessness. It is a bitter pill for him to swallow, but the truth is undeniable. So the PMP has become the breeding ground for corruption, criminality, and undermining the very fabric of the Jamaican society. We asked the man if he love Jamaica, and the man say him love Ghana and America. We say he love Jamaica, he love the PMP, him love Ghana and Jamaica, because he's ashamed. Because we just ask him that. We never ask him if him love the JLP. We just say if you love Jamaica or you love the PMP criminal, him love Ghana and America. So we don't know why him a contact with. So what makes this even more alarming is his involvement of a high-profile individual like Baby Chump, Mark Golin, Peter Bunting, Wilfred Rattigan, a former FBI agent, Rupert Francis, Herbert Nelson, Wayne Uglysom, and others. These figures, once seen as influential politicians and public figures, are now under investigations in the United States of America for money laundering and RICO charges. Uncle Sam has stepped in, recognizing that these individuals are not only destroying Jamaica from within, but also attempting to destabilize the country's economy on an international scale. The investigation marks a turning point in Jamaican history, as these once untouchable figures face the prospect of justice in a way that they have never experienced before. For decades, the PMP criminal organization has operated with impunity, getting away with corruption, graft, and criminal alliances. These men, lacking honesty, decency, ethics, and any sense of truthfulness, have run Jamaica into the ground, exploiting its resources, while allying themselves with violent criminals and drug dealers. And you see them parade them last week. Yeah, man. And you see, look, So if you, as we said to the people them in my community where I was born and raised, Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, we're not a guy who come from the country. We used to live a country, but we're not from country. You understand? Yeah. So you can't count the few people that really know, growing up on them things. Because we not come from country. Born and raised in a Belly Beast. We birth certificate say, yeah, we're born in a district, a crossroad. Yeah, people who are born at Jonestown know that. So we're not even going to more. Because from your birth certificate say, you're born in a district, a crossroad. That means that I tell you, say, yes, your birthplace at Jonestown and the talk, and your birth certificate number and all of them things. My birth certificate starts with AA. You understand? So when I go even. So no little country guy and them think they can. I just saw it go and them thing. We come from the belly of the beast. So the soul of the party has long been lost, replaced by hunger for power at any cost. The Jamaican people have suffered under their leadership, with crime rates spiraling out of control and the justice system becoming a mere puppet for the powerful. You see what I'm with Vibes Cartel case? Yeah, you see the judge them will collect them brown paper bag, yeah man. And that money was transported to Jamaica. And we're going to show you how them transport it. Yes, how them transport the money. $500,000 US drug money. Yes, and it go from there straight to the Rear Admiral Isaac Buchanan and him do the distribution. So him have secret for whole heap of people. Don't be surprised if them lick him just like how you see them did lick with Bebe. Yeah man, Bebe don't have man to be. I saw it going on. So this is the first time in Jamaica's history that we are seeing PMP politicians on the brink of extradition to the United States of America, where they will face justice for their crimes. Yes, PMP politician on the brinks of extradition to the United. I mean, I tell you, say, our best thing this way ever happened for Jamaica. You understand? We can't wait to see them because them a criminal. Them destroy the people. Them, yeah man, and a parade criminals. Yeah man, they kill people and all kind of thing. So the possibility of seeing these corrupt figures who once held such high esteem extradited to America and placed in orange jumpsuits is a sign that their reign of impunity is finally coming to an end. No longer will they be able to evade accountability. The United States, through its robust legal system and international influence, is ensuring that these individuals face the full weight of the law. The investigation into money laundering and other criminal activity is not just about holding these individuals accountable. It's about exposing the wider network of corruption and that has permeated the PMP criminal organization for decades. The destabilization of Jamaica's economy, orchestrated by these power-hungry politicians, has had devastating effects on the nation's growth and stability. So as the investigation unfolds, it will become clearer how deep the root of this criminal enterprise go and how they have exploited Jamaica's resources to fund their illicit activities. So they use drug money, all kind of thing. Because say PMP is a criminal organization. And we show some people them claim them criminal record and send them, I'll leave a charge of badness. But we're big in farmer, So for the first time, justice will be served. The decades of corruption, the collusion with criminals, and the systemic destruction of Jamaica's economy and the security will be met with the full force of the law. The message is clear. No matter how powerful or connected they may be, these individuals will not escape accountability. This investigation represents a water wash moment for Jamaica and a long overdue reckoning for the PMP criminal organization. So in the coming months, the Jamaican people and the world at large will witness something unprecedented. PMP criminal organization politicians being held accountable, not in their own country where they have manipulated the system for decades, but on foreign soil. American justice system with its formidable reach will ensure that these criminals, yes, answer for their crimes. The image of these once powerful men being led away in handcuffs and orange jumpsuits will be a powerful symbol of the end of an era of unchecked corruption and criminality in Jamaica. Justice will be served, and Jamaica can begin the process of reclaiming its soul from the grip of those who have exploited and degraded it for too long, even some of our judges. So I want to know, you watch, you listen, and you decide. So listen to this man, you understand? Yeah, why we tell us everything just a happen and just a full, and you understand. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, man. What's up?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
I hear you.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Young Police.
Yeah, man. What on?
Are you for tell me no you contact with man and them thing there? So tell
Yeah,
me.
because I say, yeah, you're talking about the PMP because me and the PMP not labor, right? But me I say,
No. Hey, look here. Anytime, let me tell you. Yes, anytime when you come with that argument, boy, you don't beat neither PMP nor labor, right? You're PMP. No, look here. Look here. Me I tell you this. Cause PMP community me born and grow. Anytime on a call and I say you need a PMP nor labor, right? Me I tell you say you're PMP. Criminal organization support and because your shame or your party cause it's a criminal organization. That's why I say that. So nobody come here with your liar self. You're a big man. Accept say you're part. Hello. Alright, so what? You're bullfrog then?
yeah, me a bullfrog, yes.
Yeah, so what your problem now on them thing there? Cause look here, if you're look here, only thing the PMP do is create criminals and them thing there.
So what I'm asking you is that Andrew Wallace now he got so many illicit thing against him and they won't even table the reports or whatever.
Alright, look here. Let me ask you something now. You know about you live in America. How many years you live in America?
From 1989.
Alright, you live here from 89. You ever hear about a thing named money laundering and RICO?
Yeah.
Okay, so did you know that Baby Trump, Peter Bunting, and the FBI agent Wilford Rattigan, Rupert Francis, Wayne Uglysom, and Herbert Nelson, all of them are under investigation by the FBI for money laundering for destabilize Jamaica. You didn't know about that?
The whole of them are thieves.
Me never asked you that. Hello. Just listen to me I said, man. Cause you understand what I'm saying? I'm asking if did you know that these men were under investigation by the FBI for money laundering and RICO charge?
Yeah, me know.
And you know that they were actively trying to tell the people them behind them to stop the noise, man. How can I
about because my wife watch TV and she not this. But when we so gonna work,
no. All of you going on next room and them thing. Hey, look here, me have a time and all them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? So all of you going on next room and them thing there.
Alright, yeah, don't forget about this, but that's the same. You're biased because you have to talk about.
No, hold on, man. Me ask you. Alright, me ask you. You love Jamaica or you just love it? Or you love a PMP? Which one of them?
I do what?
You love Jamaica or you love a PMP criminal organization?
You ever say you jump like you're deaf?
No, man.
You're the PMP, I'm in the labor right.
No, me I tell you say you're liar.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you're liar, man. If you look here, me I tell you now between me and you. I am a Jamaican. I am a what?
I see that school,
Okay, you go Kingston Senior. Yeah, let me tell you this now, them thing there. This are the bottom line. Cause I'm born and raised in a PMP community. You see, anytime you hear anybody say them on a PMP or labor, right? You know say them a PMP, cause them shame. And the reason why
you're not playing God now.
Me not play God. Me I tell you.
You're biased. You're playing God. You say you're not PMP, you're labor, right?
No, I'm not biased. Me biased. Me talk the truth. Me talk the truth about the art. Look here. Me born. Okay. So what age you left Jamaica?
You never said when I left Jamaica, I'm going to board.
You left Jamaica. You left Jamaica. So hold on. So basically, I said that I am older than you. Then, cause if you left 89 and you couldn't vote.
Yeah, possibly.
Huh?
Possibly.
Oh, so how old are you?
42.
Oh, wow, you're a young man.
You must have been a PMP, I'm a labor, right? I'm a Republican, I'm a Democratic.
But anyway, still though. So alright, so me ask you this now as alright. You say you need alright. I take it with a grain of salt for what you say and them thing. But me know say I true your shame. Because which you used to go Kingston Senior. Which community you come from?
White Street, Almonton, White Street, labor right. Yeah. White Street, labor right.
All right. So listen this now. Me ask you now. When me ask
Wall
you,
Street, you know Wall Street?
no, me no know Wall Street. Me might drive through it and them thing. Me no so you understand. Me no,
I'm
I'm go,
passing the man about Wall Street.
me no.
Neighbor, I feel 200 yard man and Southside man. Run this up.
All right. So listen what I'm saying now. Me ask you this: is it you love Jamaica or you love the PNP criminal organization? Which one of them?
You may be laugh.
Yeah, that's what I ask you. If you love Jamaica or you love the PNP criminal organization?
You know what I love? America and Ghana. That's what I love.
All right. So so you don't love Jamaica then?
You ever say no? You ever say no?
Okay, so all right, so yeah, true stone. That the reason why I'm asking that, you know, because the same baby chump goal, baby chump. When about all right, do you have a problem with a man where is that a Jamaican and I try to divide with?
That's what I want to Jamaica.
Edward Seaga was a
Jamaican.
yeah man. In parents them are Jamaican. Them have business at Jamaica. Business.
Them have business at Jamaica.
And
wow.
Edward Seaga used to live amongst the poor people them downtown. You ever read the book about it? You ever go to the library in America and see him? Where Edward Seaga walk with him white foot in a dirty water and them thing there? With the people them downtown?
That's a posing.
That's not posing. I show you when him young. See, okay, but
Did you always see him in a pocket clothes and jump pocket?
yeah, man. When our business, but not then the part of Jamaican culture. So
you're biased there. You're biased.
Oh, me bias. Wait, so what wrong with that? A theme culture that's a part of Jamaican culture, which is African culture. Me I talk about babe. So hold on. So hold on. Hello. Look here. No. Look here. Yeah. So you listen to this man. You know that very very dishonest. You know PNP is a criminal organization. These are people that remember. As I said, Jamaica is a PNP country, and that means to say you have. So we see. Look, they're not hiding it. They show you. If somebody tell you who they are, believe them. So the next election is pivotal to the direction of Jamaica. If you want Jamaica, it's a criminal's paradise. If you want it to become 80, where who can kill the most people, just like barbecue, the man roast black people in 80 and eat them. I don't know how them not use a drone and kill him as yet. You understand? That is what they want Jamaica to become a lawless society where only a few control all the resources, and then I see them poor people when them claims to them love and them are the one that suffer. But most of the poor people them when we say most of the poor people them, and the reason why them poor because them illiterate, ignorant, depraved mind, socialistic, beggy, licky, lazy, dependent on other government, bad mind, no ambition, no self-worth, no self-love, no self-esteem, and we can go on and on. So the PNP criminal organization has undeniably become a breeding ground for corruption and criminality. You see it undermining the very foundation of Jamaican society. This once prominent political force has allowed criminal and unethical figures to operate with impunity, leading to a society where the rule of law has been compromised and criminality has been normalized. The people are desensitized. So it's decent Jamaicans. Those of you who do not want your children, your sons and your daughters to become criminals, you have to send a resounding message. You have to say, only you can save Jamaica now. America is going to do its part because they were trying to destabilize Jamaica from America, and they will face finally. Because Jamaica PNP can't go to prison because them said Jamaica a PNP country. Can you believe that? So them are telling you it's a criminal. That's what we tell you, it's a criminal's paradise. So the involvement of PNP politicians in nefarious activities now under investigation by U.S. authorities is a testament to the depth of their corruption. These figures, now on the brink of extradition to the United States, face the long overdue consequences of their actions. As this individual attempted to take control of the conversation, pushing his own agenda while lacking finesse, decency and integrity. We choose to end the interaction. There can be no tolerance for those who seek to perpetuate dishonesty or further a culture of criminality. In a time when accountability is finally on the horizon, it's essential to remain resolute in upholding the principles of truth, transparency and justice. By rejecting this individual's approach, we send a clear message. There is zero tolerance for anyone who lacks the character to engage with integrity, especially in matters crucial as the fight against corruption and crime in Jamaica. I will make no apologies. If you come over here and you cannot be an honest broker, no, but we're not going to engage in you, and you can't come over here come disrespect. We are not corals now, corobunkers as well. No, we know that. Truth, rights and justice. And look here, Team Jamaica all over here. We hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them over here. But we still come. But we entertain in our school, with facts. So we could have said we bias more. We don't care. We are the truth, no bias. The truth cut like a knife. As we say over here, the Jamaica Young Police Channel is where the truth bites. Have yourself a beautiful day. Corals and corobunkers, just stay out of Jamaica Young Police Channel space. You love it? But hey, when you come, we go to school here. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.